get started. Merry Christmas, family. I just want y'all to see that I am now getting ready to stuff my mini turkey, stuff my chicken for Christmas. It's not a lot of us today. It's just going to be about 8 of us. So instead of a turkey, I have a chicken. And then, of course, we have this big ham because I bought it at the last minute and they only had the big ones. So I'm going to stuff my chicken right now. Oh, Lord. I think I need to cut the bell pepper. And Claudia, I'm even putting lemon in my chicken. So you have this? You see this? My chicken was seasoning all night. This is so gross. This is why I don't like to cook. This doesn't feel right. But it will taste right. And over here, hold on. Let's cut away for a minute. Over here, I have my cabbage already cut to cook. You can hold it still. Don't move it fast. Prep for rice. All my stuff prepped for rice. And Barry, this is for you. Hold on. Keep the camera still. Barry? You see what kind of rice this is? I know you banned Toya from buying this rice, but Parvo rice is the best rice. Anyway, we'll come back to you guys later when we're done cooking and doing all that stuff. Merry Christmas. Send me pictures. This is a competition today.